The upcoming video is the fundamental basis of the annual inspection for the AIDA NC1 series. We recommend you carry out annual inspection every 3,000 hours of operation to ensure optimal performance of your equipment. First step is to inspect the slide gib clearance by using feeler gauge to measure the clearance at all sides for maximum accuracy. Then replace oil in gearbox oil bath. Slide suspension point. Clutch and brake. This step might take a while. Clutch stroke check that the stroke is not larger than the proper stroke value. Step 4. Inspect pressure hoses locating at the back of the machine. Check the hoses for any deterioration and damages. It must be in a ready-to-use condition. Then inspect bolster accuracy by using measuring tools. Measure the center of the bolster, measuring the parallelism of the top surface of the bolster and the bottom surface of the subplate. It must be the same at all sides and angles. Next, proceed to check all solenoid valves, excluding those for the clutch and brake, using the same method. For AIDA NC1 series, for Type SE, replace the oil filter's paper filter element. For Type SE, Type 1 NLE, and Type 2 NLE, press machine check the oil filter for clogging or damage. These steps are basic foundation of the annual inspection for AIDA NC1 series. Remember, you can always apply a more thorough check based on your factory's specific conditions. For a comprehensive and professional periodic inspection, please contact the AIDA service team. Regular maintenance is key to a safer and more efficient workplace. It's for 3 years inspection. The inspection required disassembly of the press machine, so please feel free to contact AIDA service for inspection service. And don't forget to operate monthly, 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months inspection habitually. AIDA here for you.